Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. So I am the queen of cardigans. I have about 1 million in my closet and I wear them with everything. So I was absolutely thrilled when I got this beautiful cardigan from LIENRIDY. What I love most about this one is how versatile and comfortable it is. I can wear this with several different outfits. I can dress it up with a pretty blouse or wear it casually with a pair of jeans. The buttons on the front give it a little flair and they're very easy to button and unbutton. And I love that it's comfortable either way that I wear it. It's not too tight when I have it buttoned. The material is soft and stretchy, and I love the rib design that just adds a little texture to my outfit. This sweater comes in many different sizes and colors, and if my closet would allow, I would have them all. I'm thrilled with how well this fits, whether I'm heading out to date night or just lounging around my living room. This is my go-to cardigan for comfort. It fits well on my arms and my waist, even though I'm a full-figured woman. This is a great light cardigan for cool fall and spring days. So if you're looking for the perfect cardigan that's going to keep you comfortable and stylish whether you're going out or staying in, then I highly recommend this beautiful cardigan from LIENRIDY. And that's my point of view.